Declaratory suits. Section 88 to 92 covers declaratory suits. So, Section 88 deals with the suits for declaration of right. It says that if any person claiming to be a tenant or a co tenant may sue for a declaration that he is a tenant or for a declaration of his share in such joint tenancy. Second, a tenant of Khudkasht may sue for a declaration that he is such a tenant. Third, a subtenant may sue the person from whom he holds for declaration that he is a subtenant. Fourth, a landholder other than a state government may sue a person claiming to be a tenant or co-tenant of a holding or a tenant of Khudkasht or a subtenant for a declaration of right of such person. So this section means that a person who claims that he is a tenant or who claims that he is a co-tenant, he can sue uh, for such a declaration that he is a tenant, or he can sue for such a declaration that his share is there as a joint tenancy. A tenant who of Khudkash can sue for declaration that he is a Khudkash tenant. A subtenant can sue the person from whom he holds the declaration that he is a subtenant, and a landholder other than the state government, so not the state government but the other landholders, may sue a person claiming to be tenant or co-tenant of a holding or a tenant of Khudkash or a subtenant, and for the declaration of a right of such person. Then section 89, suit as to class of tenancy, etc. So, at any time during the continuance of a tenancy, the tenant or a landholder other than the state government can sue for the declaration as to all or any of the following matters. Namely, first is the class to which the tenant belongs. Second is the area, numbered plots or boundaries of the holding. Third is the rent payable in respect of the holding and the manner in which it is payable. Fourth is in the case of rent payable in case the dates on which and the installments in which it is payable. Fifth is in the case of rent payable in kind, the time, place and manner of appraisement, division or delivery of the crops. Then in the case of Gair Khatedar tenant or a tenant of Khudkash or a subtenant, the term for which the tenancy is to run. And the last is any special conditions that are not inconsistent with the provisions of this act. Section 90, suit for declaration of land as khudkash. So when land is claimed by a tenant as his holding or as being under his cultivation is also claimed by a landholder as his khudkash, then such tenant or landholder can sue for a declaration of his status. Section 91, suit for declaration of other rights. Except as otherwise specifically provided, any person may sue for a declaration of all or any of his rights conferred by his act and not otherwise provided for. Section 92, single suit in respect of several holdings. A single suit may be instituted under the provisions of Section 88 and Section 1989 or Section 90 in respect of a number of holdings, provided that the parties are the same. Section 92A, suit for injunction. Except as otherwise specifically provided elsewhere in this Act, any person may sue in respect of all or any of his rights conferred by this Act for an injunction in accordance with and subject to the provisions of Chapter 10 of Specific Relief Act 1877. That's all. Thank you.